Welcome back to Bike Review Pro, the channel where we break down the latest motorcycles in detail. Today, we're talking about a true comeback, the 2026 Honda XL125V Varadero. The Varadero name is one that older riders will remember fondly. It was one of the most distinctive learner-legal bikes of the 2000s, combining the look and stance of a big adventure machine with a lightweight 125cc engine. Now, in 2026, Honda has revived this classic with a modern redesign, updated technology, and a focus on practicality. Let's dive into everything this reborn Varadero has to offer. A look back. The Varadero legacy. The original XL125V. Varadero first appeared in 2001 and ran until the mid-2010s. It quickly gained popularity for being a 125 that didn't feel small. Tall windscreen, upright riding position, and styling borrowed from its bigger adventure siblings. It was perfect for taller learners who wanted something more substantial than typical commuter bikes. It also built a reputation for reliability and comfort, with many owners using it as a daily workhorse. The 2026 model carries this legacy forward, but updates it for a new generation of riders who expect modern design, technology, and efficiency. Engine and performance at its heart. The 2026 Varadero is powered by a 125cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. Honda designed it to meet strict Euro 5+ emission standards while still delivering smooth and usable power. With around 14 horsepower, it stays within learner-friendly regulations, but benefits from Honda's advanced fuel injection and engine mapping. The 6-speed gearbox offers flexibility for both stop-and-go city riding and relaxed open-road cruising. Fuel efficiency has always been a Honda strong suit, and here it's no different. Riders can expect impressive mileage, making this bike cheap to run. It may not be fast, but it's dependable, predictable, and confidence-inspiring. Exactly what you want in a 125 chassis and handling. Honda has kept the Varadero's adventure bike stance. With a steel double cradle frame for strength and durability, the long travel suspension smooths out potholes and bumps, while spoked wheels with dual-purpose tires reinforce its go-anywhere look. Weighing in lighter than its predecessor, the new Varadero is far easier to handle at low speeds and when parking. Its balance between agility and stability makes it just as capable for commuting through traffic as it is for tackling twisty back roads or gravel paths. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort has always been a big part of the Varadero's identity, and the 2026 version doesn't disappoint. The upright seating position and tall windscreen give riders excellent visibility in traffic while reducing fatigue on longer journeys. Honda has slightly lowered the seat height compared to older models, making it accessible to a broader audience. At the same time, taller riders still get that big bike feel that set the Varadero apart from other 125s. The seat itself is wide and padded, and there's enough room for a passenger, making it practical for two-up riding on shorter trips. Technology and features. This isn't just a retro comeback. The new Varadero is packed with modern features. At the center of the cockpit is a full-color TFT display, offering speed, revs, gear position, fuel economy, and even smartphone notifications when paired via Bluetooth. Honda includes ABS as standard, along with a basic traction control system for slippery roads. LED lighting all around improves visibility, and optional extras like a USB charging port make the bike commuter-friendly. For added convenience, Honda offers factory-fit luggage options such as panniers and top boxes, allowing the Varadero to easily transform into a light touring machine. Everyday practicality. What makes the Varadero stand out in the 125cc class is its combination of style and practicality. With a generous fuel tank and excellent mileage, riders get a long range between fill-ups. Its upright ergonomics make it a bike you can ride daily without feeling cramped or fatigued. It's also ideal for new riders who want a motorcycle that feels more like a mid-size machine, but without the intimidating power or high insurance costs. The Varadero is built for commuting, training, and light weekend trips, a versatile all-rounder in every sense. Market position and rivals. The 2026 XL125V Varadero enters a competitive 125cc market. Its main rivals include Yamaha MT-125, sporty, aggressive, and hugely popular among learners, but not as comfortable for long rides. KTM Duke 125, high performance and sharp handling, but more expensive to buy and insure. Suzuki GSX S125, lightweight and nimble, though it lacks the Varadero's big bike presence. Adventure-styled alternatives like the Kawasaki Versys X125 or Chinese-built Adventure 125s that compete on price. Where the Varadero shines is in its comfort, size, and adventure styling. It's not trying to be the fastest 125. Instead, it's the one that feels the most like a real adventure motorcycle. Ownership. Experience Honda has designed the new Varadero with low running costs in mind. Service intervals are reasonable, parts are widely available, and Honda's reliability record means the bike should last for years if maintained properly. Insurance and tax remain affordable, making it an ideal choice for young riders or those returning to motorcycling. Combined with excellent fuel economy, the Varadero is one of the most cost-effective ways to enjoy an adventure-styled bike. Final thoughts: the 2026 Honda XL125V Varadero is more than just a revival. It's a carefully updated, learner-friendly adventure bike that keeps the spirit of the original alive. It's practical, approachable, and versatile, with enough comfort and presence to make new riders feel confident. It may not have the power of its larger adventure siblings, but it captures the look, the feel, and the reliability that made the Varadero such a hit in the first place. That's our full look at the 2026 Honda XL125V Varadero. Do you think Honda has done enough to bring this classic back to life, or would you like to see them offer a bigger displacement version too? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Bike Review Pro for more detailed motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and industry updates. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and keep the adventure spirit alive.